I'm William here at Bull Creek Outdoors in Beebe, Arkansas. This week's product spotlight is the Windstorm, manufactured by Scag. This product is for that serious commercial guy looking to save time and labor, blowing serious air, pushing leaves, debris, grass clippings off yards, parking lots, and streets. This thing puts out an amazing 6,000 CFM compared to like your biggest backpack blower, which only does 1,100 CFM. It can travel up to 10 miles per hour. The nozzle is operator controlled, all while standing up here. You can go right to left or up and down. As always, when you buy from Bull Creek, you're protected for life on the engine and the hydros with the free lifetime powertrain. We also got extended bumper-to-bumper options available if you're interested. If you have any questions or just want to come by and demo it, reach out to us. You can call, text, or just come by anytime. Thank you.